Assalamualaikum dear clients of Home Digital Pharma Company. In this video, we will show you how to properly move goods to a branch in the e-pharmacy program.
You need to go to the expenditure section and click on the transfer to branch button. Next, in a new window, you need to enter the date of shipment of the goods in the date cell. Then select the recipient's branch in the receiver line. In the notice line, you can enter comments on this expenditure invoice. Next, to add goods to the invoice, you need to click on the selection button and select the necessary goods. At the same time, if you have a barcode scanner connected and configured, then you can scan the barcode of the product and start entering data on this product. It is also necessary to check the box by the piece in case you need to book goods by piece when scanning. If you don't find the product by scanning it or typing it manually, it means that this product is not in your reference book. In this case, you need to open a new product card. When you press Enter, a new window appears on the selected product, in which you need to fill the following data. In the left window, you need to enter the quantity of goods sent to the branch. At the same time, if there is a piece quantity, then you need to press the plus button on the keyboard and enter the piece quantity of the products. After each entry of the value and to move to the next cell, you need to press the Tab button on the keyboard. In the lower right cell, you can change the sale price of the product. In the upper right cell, you can change the markup on the product. After entering all the data, you need to press the Enter button or the blue check mark. If you want to take the entire quantity of the selected product in the remainder, then you can press the Take All button or F2 button on the keyboard. In the product selection window at the top, there are also some functions when you click the right mouse button. The Select or Enter function to select the product. Take One function or F6 for taking one package of goods. Take All function for taking chosen goods in the balance. Next Take All function for taking all the goods in the balance. Refresh function or F5 for updating data. The Where From and Where function to view the history of the movement of goods. Information function for viewing products information. The Filter function or F3 to search for a product by its name. The Document Number function displaying goods from certain incoming document. While using this function, it is necessary to enter the number of incoming document you are interested in and press the button Enter. There are also several functions at the bottom of the product selection window. The Edit or Enter function for editing the product. The Delete function to delete the goods from the invoice. Refresh function or F5 for updating data. After entering all the goods into the invoice, you need to click on the Exit button or on the X button. It is also necessary to check the invoice data in the program with the actual quantity of the goods being shipped. Next, you need to click on the Save button to save the data and ready to activate the invoice. After activation, the invoice can be sent by email to the branch by clicking on the Send button. The receipt also has several buttons for working with the consumption of goods. The expenditure invoice also has several buttons for working with the consumption of goods. Print button to print out the expense documents. When you click it, 6 types of documents come out. First, document, the printed form of the invoice, which varies depending on the choice of the type of documents. Second, waybill, printed invoice form, which displays the incoming price, the sale price and the amount of the sale of goods, taking into account the product discounts. Third, price tag, Printed form of price tag and barcodes for goods. The blocking button to block the document so that it cannot be sent or edited. To unlock the document, you need to click on the same button again. The refresh button to update the flow document data. The set markups button to set the markup for all products. When you click it, a new window appears in which you need to enter a markup for goods and press the enter button. Exit button to exit the current window. There are also several functions here when the right mouse button is pressed. The delete function to delete one item name from the invoice. Refresh function or F5 for updating data. Delete all function to delete all items from the invoice.
Now you know how properly move the goods to the branch. Connect a pharmacy to your pharmacy and start to work more efficiently. That is all that I wanted you to be informed about for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel in order to be abreast of the news. See you later.